everyone! Are you ready to dive into the future today? Click the link in the description below to snag an exclusive discount on Intellectia AI. Alright, let's get into it. So, you know how AI is like everywhere these days? From Siri to that creepy robot dog that looks like it can overthrow humanity any second now? Well, Intellectia AI is here to take things to the next level. Imagine, just for a sec, an AI that's not just smart but also intellectual. Sounds fancy, right? Intellectia AI is designed to help you with everything. And I mean everything. Need help writing an email? Intellectia's got you. Can't decide what movie to watch? Intellectia's got you. Struggling with your calculus homework? Yep, you guessed it, Intellectia's got you. Now, let's talk features. First up, there's the super intuitive user interface. It's like the difference between flying first class and economy. You just ask it and boom, there's your answer. No complicated jargon, no fuss. Then there's the real-time language translation. Ever been stuck trying to communicate in a foreign country? With Intellectia, just speak in your language and it'll translate it instantly. It's like having a personal translator in your pocket. Pretty cool, huh? But wait, there's more. Intellectia AI also has a built-in learning feature. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding you. It's like having a personal assistant who remembers your coffee order better than you do. And let's not forget the security part. Intellectia uses top-notch encryption to keep your data safe. So your secrets are safe with it. Even if you accidentally ask it to remind you to buy, that extra large pack of toilet paper. Alright, here's the kicker. Intellectia AI isn't just about making your life easier. It's about making it smarter. Imagine being able to predict trends, analyze data like a pro, and make decisions faster than ever. That's the power of Intellectia AI. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets of Intellectia AI, click the link in the description below to get your special discount. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Remember, the future is smart, and with Intellectia AI, it's also a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.